Hi students, welcome to Shah Sir classes, igniting a passion for learning. In today's video, I am going to continue the chapter of surface area and volume, and in our previous class, we already discussed the formulas related to this chapter, and I request that first you watch the previous video, then you can start watching any problems related to this chapter, because in that chapter we already discussed the formulas, how, when, why we have to use. That is the key important formulas if you want to solve the problems related to this chapter, and this chapter plays a very important and major role in your present study as well as in your upcoming studies. Let's begin. As you can see here, the question is, the dimensions of a metallic cuboid are 100 cm into 80 cm into 64 cm. It is melted and recast into a cube. Find the surface area of the cube. Here they have given the dimensions of a cuboid. So first let me write the data of cuboid. So what is the data of the cuboid they have given? Length into breadth into height is 100 cm into 80 cm into 64 cm. Correct, no children? That is L into B into H. The cuboid value dimensions they have given as L into B into H, that is 100 into 80 into 64. Now what I am doing, assume this is my cuboid of this dimension. Assume this object, can you see here children? This is my cuboid. This is not the shape of cuboid, I am just telling you the example, cuboid. Okay. अब इस cuboid को हम क्या कर रहे हैं बेटा? Melt कर रहे हैं. What I will do? I will melt it. After I melt this, I will collect this all material of this dimension. ये जो dimension से बना था उसको मेल्ट करने के बाद में वो पूरा लिक्विड बन जाएगा. Are you getting my point? So what we do? We collect that liquid. If you are collecting that liquid is nothing but volume. Remember, what you have to use the formula? Volume. Now we are collecting this liquid into one container, that is volume. By using that volume, by using that amount of cuboid, how much amount of material is left out of cuboid, I will make the shape of a cube. Understood? I mean to say, by using this material, I will make the cube shape object. समझ में आया बेटा? क्यूबॉइड को हमें क्या करे? मेल्ट किए. मेल्ट करने के बाद में हमें फिर उसी को लेकर एक क्यूबॉइड शेप का एक हमारे पास एक मटेरियल है, उसके जैसा हम उसको बनाए. It means what? How much quantity is here? Same quantity will be here also, no? The quantity of the material remains same. Only the shape is changing. Understood? Quantity remains same. जब भी आपको क्वेश्चन में melted and recast, melted means you are melting, you are dissolving that product. Recast means again we are manufacturing that. Pen you have melted, formed a pencil. Plastic containers or plastic waste materials you have melted and you made one plastic bucket. Did you understood my point? It means we are changing that from one form to another form. Whenever in the problem, if you see a word called as melted and recast, you are melting or you are making one more new product into any shape, that is nothing but we have to use the formula there, volume formula we have to use. We have to use the formula of a volume. Now here the question is, they have given the dimensions of cuboid and it is melted and recast into a cube. It means cuboid we are changing that into cube. Cuboid we are changing that into cube. Now what we should find? Find the surface area of the cube. What is the question? They are asking us to find the surface area of the cube. So before finding the surface area of the cube, first we want to know how much amount of cube is there. First we have to calculate what is the volume of the cube. What is the volume of the cube? Is volume of the cube is necessary to find the surface area of the cube? My question is volume is required? Do you want volume to find surface area of cube? So what is the role of volume here? I'll tell you what is the role of volume. See here children. Here I will tell you one small example to understand this problem. Very easy and very interesting concept here. Now what I have to find children? Surface area of cube. We want to find surface area of cube. Here surface area is nothing but total surface area. So what is the formula to find the total surface area of cube? 6 into side, 6 into side square. Now side we are taking as A units or X units, it depends upon you. Understood? But here let me write, let A be the edge of the cube. Let A be the edge of the cube. Then what is the formula to find the surface area of the cube? That is 6A square. 6A square means A is what? Side or edge also we call that as edge as well as side, both are one and the same. समझ में बेटा? Understood? 6A square. Now you want A, no? How do you find A? For that we have to use the special case. As I said you, volume is required. By using the volume, what we can find, children? Surface area is equals to 6A square. We know that I just write as WKT, means we know that here in this case, in this problem, volume of cuboid is equals to volume of cube. Correct, no children? Volume of cuboid and volume of cube both are same, no? Because we are melting complete cuboid. The same quantity of cuboid we are using to make the cube shape object. Understood? So volume of cuboid equals volume of cube. Now what is the formula to find volume of cuboid? What is the formula to find the volume of cuboid? S L into B into H. What is the formula to find volume of cube? That is A cube. Is it A cube? Volume of cube is A cube. Now what is L into B into H? 100 into 80 into 64, that is equals to A cube. Now you understood now from where we are getting A value? Understood? Now can you multiply 100 into 80 into 64? So therefore A cube is equals to how much, children? 5,12,000 if you multiply. But we want A. A is equals to cube, come to the RHS side, it becomes cube root. Cube root of 512,000. Children, how to find cube root? How to find cube root? Cube root means same number we should multiply 3 times. Same number we should multiply how many times? 3 times. So we can write like this, A is equals to, can you tell me? What is the I mean to say, forget about 3 zeros. 512. It means 5,12,000 they have given. That is cube root of 80 into 80 into 80 will become 5,12,000. Understood? 8 8 is 64. 64 into 8 is 64 into 8 is 512. That's what I said you, leave 3 zeros. Now 3 zeros we can remain in 3. See here. 8 into 8 into 8. 8 8 is 64. 64 8 is 512. Now here 1 0, here 1 0, here 1 0. 3 zeros. That is 5,12,000. Got it? First you find cube root of 512. Cube root of 512 is 8. 8 into 8 into 8. Understood? Again those 3 zeros will make. Now A is equals to what is cube root of 5,12,000? That is 80. So 80 centimeters. Did you understood? We got the value of A. Now what we have to find? Surface area of the cube. Now we can write here surface area of cube is equals to what formula we have? 6A square. 6 into 80 whole square. 6 into 80 into 80. How much 6 into 80 into 80? 38,400 centimeter square. Understood? What is this? Surface area of cube. Therefore, surface area of cube is 38,400 centimeter square. I hope you all have understood this class and the video concept is understandable. Am I right, children? Yes, very good. In the next video we will be solving the next example related to this basic problems. And these problems are very important, and if you like this video, click the like button and comment below how was this class and what video you want to make me next. Subscribe to this channel, Shah Sir Classes. Wish you all the best of luck. Do well. Keep watching.